All right, so here we got a 750L. Good customer bought this machine, and blade had some play in it, so we're going through there now. But Lucas, what do you got going on here now? I see you got the cylinder hanging.
Yeah, just remove this cylinder and install new bushings here.
Okay.
On both sides, and
got it.
Basically how I do bushings, and everyone has their way of doing it, but I'll just get the accelerating torch and just cut a slit and then air hammer them out. And
right on.
that seems to be the easiest way for me. But
yeah. So, and we pulled the whole C, or you pulled the whole C frame off this thing just because these bushings back here were bad?
Yeah. The C frames are a little different on these John Deeres compared to the Caterpillars.
Okay.
You actually have to pop the belly pan off.
Okay.
Like right behind the oil pan, pop those pins up from the inside.
Oh, I see. Yep, so, I do see that.
Yeah, it's a little more complex than a
right back in there, so the pin goes that way to the inside.
Yeah, if you were to try to pop them out, you'd have to pull the tracks off.
Yeah, it's a pain in the butt.
That's a whole nother animal.
Okay, so we're doing those. Are we doing anything to the ball? Because I see you got the blade off too.
The ball did have some play, but
okay.
When you get play in these balls, you just have to remove some of the shims.
Okay.
And it tightens them up.
Okay.
That's how these collars go on.
I see. Yep.
So when I install it all back, I'll see how much play needs to be in there. And
yep. Tighten it up as according to what it needs.
That's where it needs to be.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, it seems like a big job when you start breaking them all down like this, but the overhead crane comes in handy.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah. Sweet. Well, good job. We're excited to get this bad boy rolling. We got a good customer that's waiting on it, and Lucas is a good tech here that's putting her back to life.